Well, hello everyone. It's Marissa with Fitness Before Dawn. Welcome to my channel. This is where we talk all things health and fitness and more. So today we are going to talk about how to get into the best shape of your life. If that is something that you're interested in, please stay tuned. So on last week, we talked about how to be consistent with your health and fitness goals. So today we're going to talk about the foundation of a healthy lifestyle, which will lead us into getting into the best shape of our life. So in that foundation, there's 5 areas that we're going to briefly discuss today. The first thing that we should do is eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet is something different for different people. Some people eat what they call a clean diet. Some people eat what's called a plant-based, a green diet, vegan diet. Some people eat pescatarian. Some people eat Mediterranean. There are different diets out there. Even cutting back on sugar, salt, and fat. Whatever diet you follow, make sure it's an improvement to help you get into the best shape of your life in reaching your goals. The next thing we want to talk about is getting exercise. You should be getting 30 to 60 minutes of exercise 3 to 4 days a week. That's like the minimum according to the American Heart Association. I know that right now we're in the middle of a pandemic at the time of this recording, this video, but you can still exercise in your home. You can still go for walks. There's still a way to get in some exercise. The next thing that we need to do to make sure we have a healthy lifestyle is get enough water. We need to stay hydrated. To stay hydrated and getting enough water, the guideline says to drink at least half your body weight in ounces. So if you weigh 120 pounds, you should be drinking a minimum of 60 ounces of water a day. Make drinking a gallon of water like a goal, because some people may weigh a little bit more and it may be hard to get more than that amount of water in a day. So stay hydrated. The next thing we want to talk about is getting enough sleep. This is a big one. We should be getting a minimum of 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. Sleep, it affects our mood. It affects in affecting our mood. Sometimes we get what we call hangry. So we tend to eat things that we should not be eating. We just don't perform as well. So you want to make sure you're getting enough sleep so that you have the energy to complete the things that you've set on your agenda to do. And the last thing we want to talk about is managing our stress level. Again, like I said, we're right in the middle of a pandemic right now, and it's a stressful time. It's something that we're going through globally that has never happened before, at least not on this level in this century, in our lifetime. Do the best that you can to maintain peace. We can support each other. We can utilize resources. Again, I know it's stressful. Some people have gotten laid off from their jobs. Some people are having to work at home while at the same time trying to homeschooling children. It's a pretty hard time. So it is kind of stressful. But at the same time, I think that we can look at the positive in that. We are able to spend more time with our children. We're able to just take some time and look within, to stop and just slow down. Life is just so fast and so busy. You have to go here, you have to go there. Now it's like a forced rest where we can just relax, even though it is a situation that's not what we want it to be right now. Nobody expected this. So in maintaining our stress level, trying to stay as peaceful, we can pray, meditate, just support each other, encourage each other. And like I said, on the flip side, it's a challenge for us to even, maybe we can even get more creative with meals and get reacclimated with board games. Just it's just so much that, you know, we can do now that we wouldn't have done otherwise. So the other thing I want to say as far as getting into the best shape of your life, I don't mean just on a physical level, because yes, we want to get physically in shape, but even on a spiritual level, we were all born for a purpose. We have a reason why we were put here in this earth. There's something that we need to complete. So we want to be healthy enough to complete that thing, whatever it is. We want to live and be healthy and strong so that we can be there for our children, for our grandchildren, to travel at retirement. So in getting in the best shape of our life is to be able to do things that we desire to do. So why not be in the best shape of your life for that? In the comments below, in the 5 things that we discussed as far as eating healthy, exercising, drinking enough water, getting enough sleep, maintaining our peace, name one area or let me know what area you are going to work on. For me, mine is to be better with my nutrition. I am a snacker. I tend to crave carbs and sugar, and I do have a tendency to eat more at times than I should. So that is where I struggle at. But during this, especially that I'm home more often now, sometimes out of boredom, I want to go eat something. So that is what I'm working on right now. So again, in the comments, if you would please share with me what area you intend to work on. So like I said, with everything that's going on, let's just do the best that we can to support and encourage each other. And I want to encourage you, do the best that you can. So with all of that said, thank you for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.